Hi guys, how are you? I will now transplant my tomato seedlings because it's too close from each other. Okay, look at this one. Too close. So it will grow like this. If it will grow bigger, there's no enough space. So I will transplant them 1 or 6 inches apart from each other. Okay, I will now start transplanting. Okay, I'll just do this. Okay. Perfect. Okay, you can see my perfect tomato seedlings. Okay, so how many are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10? So I have 6 tomato seedlings. I'll just remain that. I will not touch that one. So start transplanting. Okay, first you make a hole like this. This is where I pull my what do you call that, onion bulb earlier. So I will start transplanting now. You first make it. Okay, be gentle. Oops. Okay, gentle, gentle, gentle. Uh-huh. Oh my gulay. Okay. You can see the roots. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Gentle. Okay, gentle, 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 gentle. Uh-huh. Okay. Okay. Gentle. Okay. Gentle. Okay, now. So I already made a hole and then plant the other tomato. One tomato. Okay. You can see the roots. Oh, just be gentle. Gentle when you separate tomato seedlings from each other. Okay. Put it like that one. And then put some soil on it. Okay. Okay. Make sure that the roots you put it also gently. Okay. Okay, here. My, my, my. Okay. Okay. Oh. Okay. Happen. Okay. You must push, push the soil down. Okay. Tulat na. Okay. Okay. One tomato successfully planted. Okay. Another hole. Let's make another hole. Here. Okay, here. This one. Small is enough. Right there. Right there. Right there. Right there. So another tomato is all set. Okay. Oh, so I need 2 more tomatoes. Need to be planted. Okay. I separate the roots between the bigger and the small tomatoes. The bigger tomato seedlings deserves big hole. Oh, it's raining now. Make it fast. Okay. I'll do it fast. Fast. Okay. Here. Okay. There. Okay. Oh my god. It's raining. Faster. Faster, my dear. Faster. Okay. 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 Oh my god, it's raining. Oh my god, it's raining. Do it faster. Okay, here. It's easy, this one, because it's separated. It's far from each other, so it's easy to separate. It's easy to separate. It's far from the other tomato seedlings. Okay. 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 Oh my god, it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 more tomato seedlings left. Okay. I'll dig a hole. Okay. Okay. Oh my god, it's raining. Oh, it's cold. Oh, yeah. This one. See? Okay, this one. Put it here. So, 3 months from now to 5 months from now, I can harvest plenty of tomato fruits. Tomato fruits. Tomatoes. I have tomato. Okay. Oh my god. Oh, one. I'll just separate this first. 2. 2 and 3. Okay. Okay. Okay, I have 4 tomato seedlings left. Okay, I'll make it faster. Okay. Okay. 1. Okay. 1. I'll just put it temporarily here because it's raining. It's raining hard. It's raining cats and dog. Oh my god. I'll just put it wherever all I can. I can put it. Oh, okay, my god. It's raining. Oh. Okay, 1. Oh my god. I'm wet because of the rain. It's raining. Oh my god, it's raining. Okay, it's raining. I need. Oh my god. Where's my my last seedlings? Okay. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye. Till next time.